Welcome back. The cloud computing is nowadays a very popular technology trend. Everyone heard about its utility application in various technical aspects. It's extremely effective at fueling those innovation in IT industries and agility as long as it's implemented with proper planning and effort. In a growing and crowded market, there are a lot of programs that are available and promise to help manage those risks, but choosing the right one for your new cloud businesses and migration to the on-premises storage to the cloud data services, that model can be overwhelming. Often these programs are not fully evolved and that can be ineffective because the range of the risk management capabilities they offer is not diverse enough. The cloud computing is the delivery of hosted services, including those software, hardware, and storage systems over the internet. The benefit of rapid deployment, flexibility, low upfront cost, and the scalability that have made the cloud computing virtually universal among the organization of all sizes, even often as a part of a hybrid or multi-cloud infrastructure architectures. The cloud security refers to the technologies and the policies, controls, and the services that protect the cloud data, applications, and the infrastructure from the threat, and the services are typically classified into a software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, as a raw computing power to the cloud storage. The cloud technology is one of the most desired element adopted by startup companies for their major activities, including workforce management, administrative operations, and IT infrastructure requirement. Digital risk management refers to the digital process for improving the evaluation and monitoring of risk, which may include the cybersecurity risk, third-party risk, operational risk, and numerous other type of risk. These risks can impact the organization's financial performance, operations, and reputations. The cloud services are extremely effective and advantageous in several ways, such as multi-location accessibility, centralized operations, and the competitive edge to the business as long as it is implemented with some appropriate data security regulations and the compliances. According to the report of Data Security Council, the security concern over the cloud can be best addressed through the voluntary adoption of cybersecurity standards and the best practices by cloud service providers and the customers. The cyber threat landscape is ever evolving and the regulatory prescription will not drive the companies towards the compliances instead of addressing such evolving threats. The benefit of cloud-based security includes the benefit of concentration of resources, updates, and the default options that are more efficient, effective process for the audit and evidence collections, rapid and intelligent resource escalations, standardized interfaces for the managed security services, security as a differentiating element of the market, and the security and the advantages of the scale. The lower infrastructure cost for a software as a service platform typically requires less hardware on premises. As such, the initial cost of setting up those video surveillance for this example is less than that of a traditional on-premises system. More specifically, to decrease the data center and the IT cost, the customer need to take a serious look at their existing hardware footprint. In addition to the facilities and the equipment cost, the migrating systems and the application to the cloud reduced expenses associated with the IT staffing and the capacity planning. Capacity planning is normally more expensive because the extra infrastructure resources need to be allotted for the future purpose. The pros of those application of cloud computing environment that includes the affordability, accessibility of data from anywhere, anytime, retrievability. Retrievability means the data can be retrieved quite easily without any problem. Much effort has been needed. It can be easily done with retrievability mechanism. Scalability, considerable space, cost, resources and time savings. Also, the cloud security offers those optimal efficiency, backup and disaster recovery facilities, unlimited storage, speed, multi-factor authentications, easy setup, simple operations, automatic updates, enhanced bottom line. It also provides those improved channel operations, easier supplier integration, and greater supply chain visibility. Personalized customer service and today's marketplace are evolved to that all features where customers expect those consistency and the unification of all forms of interaction with those retailer, including those purchase through the digital modes, digital system, user account management, shopping cart, multi-device, and the location accessibility. For a maximum convenience, cloud technology makes it possible for the implementation of such amenities to retail those channels, enabling the new ideology in the industry as per the current trend in the better and secure way, with the recent advancement in the cloud security facilitating those high level of encryption. With the technological advancement acting as the backbone to the quick solution, businesses are now more dependent for the services like cloud computing in the retail industries, enable the real-time access to all operation and financial data across the businesses, improve the effectiveness, reducing the expenses, and enabling the better business decisions. Microsoft Azure is a very reliable and cloud storage provider which provides those multi-layer built-in security control and unique threat intelligence that across the physical data centers and infrastructure, along with optional operation to help those identify and protect against a rapid evolving threat in this environment. As per the research, 90% of the companies around the globe are using those some kind of popular cloud services anytime, anyhow. The cloud computing trends have enabled those businesses to reach their goals in a significant way. Basically, it's digitally turning the way people interact and operate in an environment. An innovative platform is a field of storage and the hosting. The cloud services have dramatically reduced the cost of owning those tools that while enabling the scalability of your business. Moreover, the emerging cloud computing trends and the technology that companies will be leveraging to innovate and the growth of this industry, particularly to talk about the cloud computing future and that innovation transforming the business landscape for a future use and modernization of technological trend, and is also have some important services can be provided with the industry demand, and it's a flexibility that can be incorporated in this industry requirement for the efficiency, increased efficiency, lower operating cost, scalability. Those are the important benefit of cloud computing for a business aspect in the near future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.